Presenting the 2025 Open Road Allegro, a masterpiece of luxury and innovation designed for those who demand the best in travel. Combining elegance, comfort, and state-of-the-art technology, this motorhome redefines the road trip experience with unmatched sophistication and performance. From the moment you lay eyes on the Open Road Allegro, its striking design commands attention. The aerodynamic body, premium full-body paint, and signature LED lighting create a stunning first impression. Chrome accents and a bold front grille enhance its refined presence, making every journey as stylish as it is smooth. Step inside, and you'll find yourself in a world of pure luxury. The spacious interior is crafted with the finest materials, featuring high-gloss wood cabinetry, hand-laid tile flooring, and ultra-soft leather seating. The open floor plan is designed to maximize space and comfort, offering an experience that rivals high-end residences. The living area is designed for relaxation and entertainment. Plush reclining theater seats with built-in heating and massage functions ensure ultimate comfort. A large smart TV, premium surround sound system, and an elegant electric fireplace create the perfect ambiance for unwinding after a long day on the road. The gourmet kitchen is equipped for culinary excellence. A full-size stainless steel refrigerator, convection microwave, and induction cooktop make cooking effortless. Solid surface countertops, a deep stainless steel sink, and ample storage enhance convenience. The stylish backsplash and LED under-cabinet lighting add a modern touch, ensuring every meal is prepared in luxury. Retreat to the master bedroom, where a king-size memory foam mattress and premium bedding provide unmatched comfort. Soft LED ambient lighting, overhead storage, and a spacious wardrobe add to the convenience, while a second smart TV and built-in sound system offer entertainment at your fingertips. The spa-inspired bathroom features a full-size shower with glass doors, a rainfall shower head, and premium fixtures. The solid surface vanity, porcelain toilet, and abundant storage space make this a truly luxurious retreat. Technology elevates the Open Road Allegro 2025 to a new level. A fully digital cockpit with a touchscreen control system puts navigation, climate control, and vehicle diagnostics at your fingertips. Driver assist features such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and a 360-degree camera system ensure maximum safety and ease of driving. Under the hood, a powerful Ford F-Series chassis and robust V8 engine deliver smooth and reliable performance. An advanced suspension system ensures a comfortable ride, while enhanced noise reduction technology creates a quiet and peaceful travel experience. Designed for all-season travel, the Open Road Allegro includes top-tier insulation, dual-zone climate control, and solar power capabilities. Whether you're cruising along the coastline, exploring the mountains, or embarking on a cross-country adventure, this motorhome is built to handle it all with elegance and ease. With a starting price of $215,000, the 2025 Open Road Allegro is the ultimate choice for travelers who demand nothing but the best. Step into the future of luxury travel. Visit our showroom today and experience the Open Road Allegro for yourself.